morning from Pandora. We've got Pandora up here, and you're experiencing a time warp. You're going to see the Navi River journey, which we just rode in just a minute, but we had to hoof it. Once again, we had crazy bus issues. Boardwalk to Animal Kingdom is just not, it's not good. And so even with the 15-minute grace period, we almost missed our first Fast Pass, which was for the Navi River journey. And by the time we got here, it had a 70-minute wait. So we literally fast walked, that's almost. So we didn't jog or run, but we walked as fast as my little legs will go to make it here. And we got here, what, with like 2 minutes to spare?
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, that's counting the 15-minute extra that they give you. But we made it, it was awesome. I love that ride. So now where are we headed? To Tough to Be a Bug, I think. But right after this, you will be watching the Navi River journey. This just doesn't get old every single time. It's amazing. And thankfully this trip we have these crystal clear blue skies, which makes it even more impressive. Now we're headed in to see Tough to Be a Bug. Tree of Life is looking beautiful this morning.
Fireflies, up here. Over here. Way over. Way over. Little more. Little more. Little less. Oh, hi. Hello.
That was awesome seeing It's Tough to Be a Bug. It's been a while. That was fun.
Yeah, good show.
Yeah, it is a good show. We are headed over to Harambe now for... We missed Rope Drop of Dawa, but at least to go to the Dawa bar. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous view. Here we are, and there's already a line. So we stopped at Dawa. I got a mojito and Ryan, of course, got me. Alright. It's a tiny bit chilly, but we're enjoying our nice little spot over in Harambe Market where Rafiki's train goes by. Yeah, the music's great, the atmosphere is great too. Here comes the train. It's funny how short the ride is for Kelly River, 10 minutes when everyone's wearing jackets. Not a good day to get soaked. We're gonna do the Maharaja Jungle Trek. So they just told us the Komodo dragon is not out because it's too cold for him.
It's interesting what she said. It requires a ground temperature of 65 degrees.
Yep, did not know that. Learn something every day.
Staring at the birds.
Pretty cool.
So
So it's also too cold for the bats. So I guess this is a tip. Don't come on the Maharaja Jungle Trek if it's cold out. There's the baby in the shade there. So cool.
The guys and the girls just sitting there watching the... There's buffalo or wildebeest. That's what they're watching.
So cute. Aww.
female cub that we're looking at mom play with right now. She's really the place that they're here. The one who's going to wander right around her. They don't go after them. They did not have a second name. We just kind of realized that once he's demonstrated him up either side, there's a spot where he has to like walk around his back like 2 hours. So he just kind of realized that when he was safe, he's going to get the back in his yard.
Pretty guy. Really pretty bird up there. So pretty.
They are in the same family as peacocks. This is the great Argus pheasant.
Wow.
You want to watch him? Look at him.
Wow.
Okay, you have no interest in seeing
Oh, wow.